What is up, investors? It is Miles with Miles G Investments, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing Dogecoin. Now, tonight is the big night, and if you haven't heard, you must stay until the end to find out what I'm talking about. But it is most likely that Dogecoin is going to be pumped to all-time highs. Yes, this very night. Tonight, yes, Dogecoin all-time highs again. And it was just a week ago, I believe, that this happened. But we are going to be seeing some massive numbers, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the video. Okay guys, if you are here for the first time, my name again is Miles, and I am new to YouTube. However, I am not new to investing and trading. I have over 12 years of experience within investing and trading and managing wealth. So with my channel, I like to put out videos covering stocks and cryptos and growth stocks. Basically, I like to put out videos to help you with your investments and your financial freedom so that you can grow your finances as fast as possible. So that's what my videos are about. And if you guys are into that type of content, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, because I post videos almost every day and I try to give you guys updates on the hottest topics within the stocks and crypto world. Also, the links are below for my Discord. We are getting a bunch of people in there and it is awesome. If you guys have any questions or want to reach out to me about any investments or financial information, you guys can certainly hit me up through a direct message through there. But I answer all of my questions that are being asked in there. So make sure you guys sign up and join. Also, the links for my Patreon are below, where I do financial consulting. I help people to grow their portfolios quickly and rapidly, as I have done last year, making over 6 times my return on investment last year. So if you guys are interested, the links for that are below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started into the video. But no, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. So make sure you guys do your own diligence and don't put all your money into a certain investment, specifically Dogecoin. All right, guys, before we get into the video, make sure you guys smash that like button. And if you want Dogecoin to be pumped to $1, smash that like button. Let's get this video out there. Let's get this information so other people can ride the Dogecoin army train to the moon. Are we going to the moon or are we going to Mars? Let me know in the comments below what planet we are headed to tonight. Are we going to the moon? Are we going to Mars? Are we going to Uranus? You let me know in the comments below and let's discuss it. All right, guys, Elon Musk is back. He said he was taking a break. I didn't know how long of a break he was going to take, but it was literally only a couple of days. And the first thing he said was Dogecoin. Yes, that is one of the first things he said and mentioned in his Dogecoin. And that happened yesterday, last night. And guess what happened? Dogecoin pumped to the freaking moon. All right, guys, Elon Musk is back. He came back last night, 15 hours ago. And look, he gave us this picture of Dogecoin being lifted up like baby Simba to be exalted above the nations. And he also came back and said some awesome things, which did great things for Dogecoin. Look, he tweeted Doge and put a rocket going to the moon. Is the Dogecoin dog on there? But look, he just said Doge, and Doge pumped up to freaking massive heights that we are going to be taking a look at in a technical chart analysis. But I need you guys to put your spacesuits on because we are headed to the freaking moon tonight. And if you agree with me, make sure you hit that like button. So yes, the Dogecoin army has gotten together on Wall Street Bets, on Satoshi Bets, and everyone is talking about Dogecoin tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern. So what does that mean? That means that there's a massive pump coming. That means that everybody and their grandmothers are going to be purchasing Dogecoin, and they're going to be holding it like true Doge army soldiers. So we need to hold our Doge to the moon. But we're going to discuss how we're going to be playing this, because it's very vital for your profit-taking success. All right, Dogecoin is being pumped up to massive heights this very second, minute by minute, as we are rising like crazy. Now, I believe that we are going to continue to rise throughout the night, and at that point, I will be taking profits, and I encourage others to take profits. However, there are others who want us to hold and hold and hold. Yes, if you hold that when everyone else starts selling, or when people start taking their profits and big money starts selling, then you are going to lose your profits. So you can continue to hold, especially if you have a more long-term investment mind of view for this. I would encourage you to continue to hold it for the long term. But when we see 8 cents, when we see 10 cents, when we see 20 or 30 cents, at some of those levels, I want to start taking profits. That's just me. And then I'm going to buy back in the dips. I'm going to keep riding this thing. And Elon Musk said it best. He said Dogecoin is the people's cryptocurrency. So it is awesome because we can come together and pump this thing to the freaking moon or to Mars or to wherever planet you want it to go. All right, if we go ahead and take a look, last night, around 8 o'clock, I believe, we had Elon Musk come out and tweet, and look, he sent this thing to the freaking moon, and we are back up. We dipped a little bit, but now we are going back up. We're going to be pumping to higher highs. Now this is a bull pennant, and basically this is a certain bullish signal that most likely, if we continue to break out of this pattern, which I will make for us here, that we are going to go to the freaking moon, and who knows what levels we can hit. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the technical price action on this chart here, and we are still in this symmetrical triangle pattern. So this is going to be a bullish pattern for us because we are having higher highs and higher lows. But what is going to be happening for us is within this 4-hour chart, if we can break out of this level right here, this is going to be nearly 6 cents. If we can hit this 6 cents and close out of it, it is a confirmation that we are certainly going to be trending, not just in the short-term period, but in a longer-term period and higher levels, especially with these candles closing on higher levels than the previous highs that we saw last week. So if we can continue to trend, and as we are breaking out we are going to be nearly breaking out just within hours, within possibly minutes, we could see a huge breakout to the upside. Once we break out of this, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be hitting crazy heights and higher highs and levels that we have not yet seen before, because we pumped from 1 cent to nearly 8 cents. So now we are going to be pumping from the level of 5 to 6 cents, going to higher highs. So that is most likely going to be able to project us to who knows, based on this measurement here. Let me go ahead and create a fib line. So based on this fib channel, if we see another massive breakout like we saw previous, it is very possible that we could hit the 11 to 12 cent ranges, and that would be massive. Especially if we can, most likely if we were to hit these type of levels, we would probably retrace back to certain levels that are below it. But if we see some huge breakouts and hit 12 cents, 13 cents, 14 cents, there is certainly going to be a huge sell-off. Now with this sell-off, we are going to see that our previous levels of resistance through the rise up could become our new levels of support, which means that we are going to trade and hold and consolidate in higher ranges. And that is very possible for Dogecoin. That would be great for us investors who are bullish on this thing and plan to invest on it for a long period of time. However, my personal opinion is that tonight we could most likely see 8 cents. We could see 7 cents. We could see a lot higher. But I certainly project that we could easily see 7 cents, 7.5 cents. We're going to come up and test these levels most likely, especially if we get that volume that we're all waiting for with this big pump. So for my personal opinion, how I will play this, if I see some pretty big profits, I'm going to go ahead and take my profits and wait for dips. And then I'm going to get back in and I'm going to trade this thing all night and see how I can play this. But Dogecoin is a pretty easily tradable crypto because we see big rises and big dips. And so if you can collect, if you have the heart and the balls to collect in those dips, you can make a lot of profits. But I also encourage those who are bullish on this thing for the long term to continue to hold it and see what happens, because if you're bullish and you're in the long term, this thing can certainly, within a year, within 2 years, who knows how much it could be. It could be worth dollars, several dollars. It could be worth $100. It could be worth thousands, like Bitcoin. Bitcoin was at basically pennies. It's basically free. People are trying to give it away. So we could see this thing possibly like that in the future. Who knows? That's just all speculation. But this is the people's cryptocurrency, Dogecoin. And we have celebrities. We have Elon Musk backing it and pumping it to the moon. So they are trying to help us, the little people, the retail investors, to make money, to get riches too. So let me know in the comments below, are you guys going to be helping pump Dogecoin to the moon tonight? Let me know. And if you guys like today's video, please hit that like button. And if you're interested in this type of content, hit the subscribe button. And I will see you guys soon.